Every year, there's a unique date that people celebrate. They call it their birthday. You hear people tell you, happy birthday to you. Today might be that day in your life, and somebody's shouting or giving you a birthday card or a birthday present and saying happy birthday. I join everybody in the world and I celebrate you too. But have you ever asked yourself, what does that date or that age you are in mean to you? Every age you are has something important you must achieve. If you are 0 to 5 years old, it stands for the years of innocence, whereby you are free to do things. Between the ages of 6 to 13 are the formation years. These are times where parents take time to teach their children, put structures in them, teach them languages, teach them values, teach them structures, teach them things. At the age of 13, it's what they call puberty years. From 13 to 20 are those years where visioneering in there. Every young child begins to aspire. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a farmer. I want to be a pilot. I want to be an engineer. What did you tell yourself you wanted to be? I'm sure if you reflect back, you'll remember that you said you wanted to be an architect, you wanted to be a footballer, or you wanted to be a doctor, an engineer. You said these things those days. What happened to it? You let it go to sleep. At the age of 20, it's a very prime age. It becomes necessary because at the age of 20, it's a year where you take decisions for your life. I don't know about you, but at the age of 20, most people are able to join the military. In short, in every country in the world, the minimum age to join the military is 17 years old with supervision or approval from your parents. At the age of 18, you can join the military without approval from your parents. That means at the age of 18, you can go for training to be licensed to carry a firearm. When you carry a firearm and you go to battlefront or you go to any duty post, you are given the license that anything that constitutes a risk to your life, you can take it out. Anything that constitutes a risk to the state or a risk to the country, you can take it out. If at the age of 18 you have such authority, such power, even by government, I don't know why at the age of 20 you are still at home. If you are 20 years old and you are still in your father's house, it is a shame. You need to get out and go to work. Go and get something to do with your life. Between the ages of 20 to 30, Jack Ma of Alibaba has told everybody, make mistakes, exercise yourself, do something, try, learn from your mistakes. In school, they tell you that when you make a mistake, you are wrong. But in life, when you make a mistake, you are right. The best teacher in life is mistakes. Mistakes teach you what you don't know. Einstein made 9,999 mistakes when he was doing the light. They asked him in an interview, you failed 9,999 times. He said no. He learned 9,999 ways how not to do it. How many things have you learned in your life? At the age of 30, grace comes upon your life. That grace to exercise mastery comes upon your life. When you are 30 years old and then you have not started anything, you have lost productive years of 18 years. At the age of 30, you have that grace to excel. By 40, you should be a master at your field. If you are 40 years old and you have not started business or started your career in life, you have lost 28 years. The peak of your excellence is 50. After 50, your brain begins to go on the retardation. So for you to come and tell me you are 60 years old and you want to start business at that time, it's not going to work. That is meant to be your retirement age. So as you grow, whatever your age is, you begin to know at this time. And take time to ask yourself, how old are you? Don't lose it now. Know your age and know what you're supposed to do. It's that time for you to take a decision to trouble that troubles you. I am Ubon King and I'm the troublemaker. I will not allow you fail. Enough is enough. So get up and let's make it happen. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.